box just a few minutes ago, so I wanted to go ahead and sit down and film that today. This is adorable. First of all, like, I love the pink, and like, I don't know how fall-y pink is, but like, I just really like it. But let's go ahead and get into it. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but let's see. Where do I want to start? Let's start with this. So the first thing that I have in here is this emerald flex cuff. It says it was made in Thailand. And it comes with this little Alex Annie bag. And let's see. Emerald, luck and prosperity. Emerald crystal represents hope and spiritual growth and is believed to bring good fortune and prosperity to your life. Crystals hold luminosity in remarkable ways. The crystalline matrix has been said to contain the powerful creative energies of the universe. And it is from Alex and Annie. And they've got like this little code on the back. Let's go ahead and see. This looks extremely tiny, but I think, yeah, you can bend it. So let me put it on this wrist that doesn't have the watch. Okay. So it is quite small, but I do think that you can bend the metal. But this is what it looks like. I actually think it's quite pretty. It's interesting. I've never had a bracelet like this, but I kind of like it. And I actually love their packaging. Like, that looks so cute. Like, that is adorable. And on the back it says, life isn't perfect, but your story is your own. Love isn't always easy, but it has the power to change the world. Being brave can feel impossible, but it is always deep inside of you. And self-expression isn't linear, but only you have the power to find your meaning. So that is adorable. I love that. Let me see. Next thing in here is this here. Oh, and this is just one of the things they send. So let me pull this out first. This is from Silk. And it says, "You are beautiful" on here. It's the silked pillow sleeve. It says, "Our washable satin pillow sleeve is designed to help you regain moisture in your skin and hair so you wake up looking and feeling refreshed. Our innovative, open-ended design fits over most standard queen and king pillows and pillowcases, perfect for home and travel." So it looks like I can actually just put this over the pillowcase that I have now. But this is it. It's in like this like olive green tone. You make sure to put that away so the cats don't eat it. Okay, so it's not an actual pillowcase, so it would go over your pillowcase. So it's open on both sides. So it literally is just like a sleeve. But yeah, let's go ahead and take my pillow and see how it fits since I'm sitting right here. We have a queen just for reference. Okay. So my pillowcase and pillow definitely hang out just a little bit, but not very much. But that is what it looks like. It's very, very, I mean, it's silky, it's silk, but I'm interested to use this and see if it makes a difference. Go ahead and put that back there. It feels really nice, so I can imagine sleeping on it will be very nice. I also see in here they threw in some Ricola throat balm, I guess, in case you get like a cough during the fall because seasonal allergies or just general sickness. Let's see. Next up in here is the, I don't know how to pronounce this. It's CUCCIO, Cusio Somatology. It's the Botanical Self-Care Hand and Body Wash in Sandalwood and Sage. So I'm going to take this off because I want to see what this smells like. That smells really, really nice. I really like the I don't want to say masculine scents, but it's more of like an earthy scent. I'm like super into those recently. So that is that. Very excited to use this. Since it's a hand and body wash, I'll probably use it mostly as a body wash so that I can smell like this. So that is that. Next up, let's see. I have the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It is in Trooper Black. So first of all, I love the packaging. It's like matte, which is really nice. I have the Kat Von D, what's the name of it? Let me just see. Yeah, I have the Kat Von D Basket Case Liner, which the basket case is more of like a kind of like pencil almost. It's like a gel pencil. But let's see what this one is. Okay, this one's awesome. It is the felt tip, which is my absolute favorite kind of liner. So I'm very, very excited to use this. I love the Kat Von D that I have, so I'm sure this will be just as good. Let's see what else we have in here. Next up, oh, I love this. I actually got this because I already have it and I've already used all of it. So this is the Lifestyle Co. Mood perfume. It smells absolutely amazing. Let me see what they say it's supposed to smell like. It says jasmine, amber, cedarwood, and saffron, so it kind of goes along with what I was saying that I liked. It is beautiful, like the packaging is beautiful, and I absolutely love this scent. I think this is actually much bigger than the one that I have. I think I have a sample size over here. Let me see. Where did I have it? Oh wait, no, they're the same size. I thought that was bigger, but yeah, I've already completely used this one, so when I saw they had it again, I was like, I'm gonna get that because this is actually a pretty expensive perfume. I think it was like 40 or 50 bucks for this. And like, that isn't a huge size, like compared to my hand, like, so I'm thrilled to have this. I cannot wait to start using it again. And I think this is the last thing in here. Let me just see. Yes, so this is the last thing in here. So this is heavy, first of all. Like, this is like hefty. Let's go ahead and pull it out. It is a woven throw blanket. It's from Little Corbeuse by April Nemeth. It says it's 100% cotton. You can machine wash it and put it in the dryer. So let's go ahead and take this off and see how big this is. So first of all, it's not super soft, but I think that's just the type of blanket it is. It does seem really warm. Let's see. Alright, so this is a decent size blanket. It feels like it's pretty thin, like I can see through that, but it feels like a really warm material. But it's a decent size. It's just a normal like lap throw blanket. So I like this. I think it's nice. I do prefer like softer material, but I kind of get like this is kind of like fall-y. But yeah, I like this. I think it's cute. I think it would be good to take on like hay rides and stuff like that you would do in the fall, like outdoor things. Because I feel like if you had a fluffy one, it would be harder to get clean. So that makes sense for this. It does have a lot of like little fluff particles coming off. But yeah, that is all the things that I got. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!